In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export SharePoint or Microsoft Lists data to Excel or CSV. Exporting your list is a quick way to analyze information, build reports, share a snapshot with teammates, or archive a point-in-time copy. I'll walk you through the process and point out a few tips so you get exactly the data you expect. Start by opening Microsoft 365 in your browser and launching the Lists app. You can find it from the app launcher or by navigating directly to your Lists homepage. This brings you to a central place where all your recent and favorite lists live, along with any lists shared with you. Next, head to My Lists or the site where your list is stored and select the specific list you want to export. Before you export, check the current view. The export respects the columns, sorting, filtering, grouping, and row limit of the view you're looking at. If you need different columns or more rows, switch to another view or adjust the filters so the screen shows exactly what you want captured. Once you're inside the list and the view looks right, look at the command bar at the top and choose Export. Depending on your organization's interface, Export may sit on the main bar or under a More Options menu. The option is available to people with appropriate permissions and may be hidden if your admin has restricted it. From the Export dropdown, choose Export to Excel or Export to CSV. Pick Excel if you'll be working in spreadsheets right away, using formulas, or preserving richer data types. Choose CSV if you need a lightweight, universally compatible file you can load into other tools or databases. After you make your choice, a file will download to your device. In some environments, opening the Excel option may launch Excel and pull the data in automatically. Either way, you'll end up with the rows that match the view you exported. A few helpful notes as you review the file. The export includes the visible columns from your current view, and it does not include attachments. Choice, lookup, and person fields are exported as text values. Dates follow the list settings, so if you work across time zones, double-check the formatting in Excel. If your view limits the number of items, remove or increase that limit before exporting to capture everything. That's all there is to it. Go to Lists, open the list you need, select Export, and choose Excel or CSV. With a clean export in hand, you can analyze, share, and report on your data with confidence.